Let me show you how to set up your Titan email from Hostinger if you are using a different DNS system. That means that you're not using the DNS from the in-house Hostinger system and you're going to use something else, for example, like Cloudflare. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Let's get started right now. Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up your DNS records for Titan email on Hostinger. So in this case, this is my panel for Hostinger, and I'm going to scroll down here and you're going to see that I have a Titan email. I'm going to manage it. And in manage, it's going to give me a little warning saying that my DNS is not set up correctly. Now, before I get started and show you how to do the DNS records, let me show you the sponsor, which is Hostinger in this case. And if you plan to grab a shared hosting or a VPS, I recommend that you use my coupon code to get an extra discount. For example, their hosting, and in this case, I'm going to show you their web hosting, which is their shared hosting. And we're going to scroll down here and we're going to select one of the plans available here. For this case, I'm going to use the most popular one. And once you're here, you're going to select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 48 months. You're good to go for 48 months. Plus, you get the lowest price and the lowest renewal price also. When you go down here, you're going to see that the total is $177 with 12 cents. But if you use my coupon code, which is Saas Master, it's going to drop to $159 with 41 cents. So use that coupon code. Okay, so let's get started with this process. You can go ahead and click on Connect Domain or go to Connect Domain in this section. So either one of these clicks will take you to the settings. Now let's go down here. You can see that for now it's unverified, and here are the records that I need to add. So I need to add these records. So in this case, like I said, I am not using the in-house DNS system from Hostinger. I am using Cloudflare. So the first record I need to create is an MX record. So let's go into Add Record, and I'm going to choose the type MX here. And we have two fields that we need to fill out here. So it's this priority 10, and the host name is at the main domain. So in this case, it's going to be at, and the required mail server, it's this one. So let's go ahead and copy this. And the priority, the TTL, you can see this here. TTL is 3600, or leave it as default. We're going to leave it as default, and the priority is 10. So let's go ahead and add 10 there. Let's go ahead and save this record. And let's add the next record, which is another MX record. Let's go ahead and add that there. Add a record. Again, the type of record, MX. It's going to be at. Again, the host name is going to be at. There we go. The mail server, this one. And again, we're going to leave it as default for the TTL. And the priority is 20 for this one. So 20. Let's go ahead and save this. There we go. Let's scroll down here. Let's go ahead and save this. I've added the MX. Here we go. Yes, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and verify changes. And here we go. We are now verified and we are ready to use Titan email. So again, we can go back to email now. Go to our email, which is this one that I've just set up. And we shouldn't get the warning anymore. So, okay, now we can improve the reputation so we can add the rest of the records in here. So the SPF and the DKIM. So let's go ahead and add it. Again, this is in the DNS records. So it's asking me to add a TXT at with this information. Look, let me go ahead and copy this. So let's go ahead and add a new record. TXT. It's going to be at. Here's the content information. And that should be good to go. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's add the next record, which is, for this one, it's good. Let's go ahead and verify changes. There we go, the SPF. Now we need to add the DKIM. Okay, for this, scroll down here. We need to add another TXT record. Go ahead and add the record. TXT. It's required. Let's go ahead and copy this. And let's go ahead and add the value for it, the content. Here, let's go ahead and save this. Let's go back. Let's go verify. Now, be aware that some of these changes sometimes take time, so give it a few minutes. In this case, it's verified instantly. We have verified both of these, and we are now good to go. Let's go back into manage. There we go. We don't have any DNS warning for this. So we've connected successfully our domain, and we're ready to work on our email accounts, internal forwarding, catch all emails, etc. We are good to go. And that's how you're going to set up your DNS records when they are not in-house on Hostinger. In this case, you saw how to do it on Cloudflare, but if you're using another DNS system, it's practically the same. Just add the records, the TXT and the MX records on that DNS system. But there you go. I hope you liked this tutorial. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and that's a wrap.